Everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. This is going to be an unboxing, reviewing, and demonstration. Yes, this company by the name of Botpov reached out to me. Yes, they reached out to me to do a review on their sunglasses, and this is what the logo looks like on the box. And they sent me 2 pairs to review for you all. So let me unbox the first pair. Look at that. And it does come with a drawstring bag so that you can place your sunglasses in here to keep them from dust and keep them protected. And it does come with the microfiber cloth wipe to clean your glasses. And that's their name. Yes, to clean your glasses, sunglasses. So let me take it out of the packaging. Ziploc packaging. What it looks like, y'all. This is so pretty. And I wanted something different. Oh, look at this. This is the pink, yellow lens color. Look at the gold frame. Gold glossy frame, and the ear tab as well. Look at the design here. Gold metal frame sunglasses. Let me put them on for you. About this item, fashion design. This sunglasses is designed as a daily fashion accessory for your daily outfits and wardrobe collection, not only for sun blocking, and they were designed for everyone to wear them on any occasion and weather conditions. UV400 Protection Lenses to keep your eyes fully protected against long-term damage and harmful UV, UVA, UVB rays, and filter out sunlight reflected glare, provides you with more clear and safe view. Pink, yellow frame, clear. You can either wear them at night. It doesn't always have to be like when you're driving or you're out walking, the sun is in your eye. You can wear these being fashionable. You can wear them at night, wherever you go. They are very fashionable. I love it. And my next pair. That's it. It has the same thing. Your drawstring dust bag, microfiber cloth here, protected in a Ziploc bag. Right. Protective plastic over your sunglasses. Look at that, y'all. Look how beautiful these are. These are the brown gradient lenses. Look at that with the gold frame. I was trying to think of the name. This is your tortoiseshell ear tab here. Your brown ear tab and your glossy metal frame. And I forgot to mention that I also love that gold metal bar across the sunglasses. And look how your sunglasses are made. Put them on for you. These sunglasses are suitable for both men and women on all special occasions. And you also can gift these to family and friends during birthday, Christmas, and Thanksgiving, or other special occasions or moments. Okay, everyone, I will list everything down below. You can go to Amazon. I'm going to have 2 links down to where you can order from. When you do make your order, you will get a special discount of 15%. You're going to get 15% off. Just go ahead and use my discount code, which is HappyDimp, HappyDimp. Yes, HappyDimp. So when you use that code, you will get 15% extra off. Y'all, look at these sunglasses, sunshades. So I would like to thank the company Botpov Vision for reaching out to me. Thank you all so much for giving me this opportunity. I just want to say thank you. And to my viewers, followers, thank you all so much for tuning in. And come back, because you never know what I may have next for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.